So I started talking with Bellini probably about 2 years ago and thinking about this new yacht that they were designing. They opened up this idea that I could create my own version of it. It's always been interesting for me to design things that have a particular function, right? A lot of it was about reduction and simplicity, integrating some of the design language that's present in my own artwork into the design of the boat. I really wanted to create something that was really sleek. The colorways that were chosen were unique to kind of yacht universe, but still something that I think when you see this passing by on the water, it's going to be very striking. I tried to pare back the design language to keep it really simplified, a very kind of luxury, futuristic, contemporary way of looking at yacht design. With any collaborative partner, I'm always looking for a person or an entity that is willing to go the extra mile, try new things, a partner that has things that I can learn from, right? Elements of creativity that I haven't yet experienced. And I really found that in Bellini.